What's going on, guys? Back Row Garage here, and what are we doing?
Oh, buy a car.
We're going to buy a car. I'm not. I'm just going for the ride.
Well, actually, I'm going to pick it up. I already bought it.
Yeah. So here we are. We're driving, and we'll update you guys once we get there.
We got the
fat butt in the back, and yeah. So hopefully we hit no traffic. Hopefully we hit no rain. Tim's gonna be eating the whole way there, and we'll see you soon. We got here. And by the dealership, let me know when you guys can figure it out. Okay. Uh-oh. Where we at, Tim? Where we at?
Honda.
Uh-oh.
I bought a 1990 Civic. It's a hatchback.
Yeah, it was trade-in, you know?
Trade-in.
Want to show the people?
You can show the people.
Here it is. I don't know if anyone expected this, but brand new 2021 Type R with, you guessed it, 13 miles. Not 13K, 13.
Hell yeah.
Do a little walk around real quick. I know you guys already saw it in the other video, but there it is. Everything is still covered, but you guys get the point. So yeah, this is the new car on the channel. I'm very excited for Tim and for myself. It's gonna be a fun car to work on, and we're definitely gonna have a lot of new content coming your way. This isn't really a popular car, so hopefully you guys will be interested in the videos.
So we're currently taping up the car. Don't want any rock chips for the ride home. It's going straight to get PPF and ceramic coated. This car will never ever get vinyl wrap, and you guys can make sure I don't vinyl wrap it because this color is absolutely ridiculous. It's got flake in the sun. It's nice, and the camera makes it look lighter than it is because it's actually really dark right now because it's nice and cloudy out. But we're taping up the front, and then we're gonna hit the bathroom and we're gonna get out of here. What do you think, Carlos?
Pain in the ass, but it's definitely worth it.
Definitely worth it.
Okay, Tim. You say we're done?
Yeah, I think
it almost looks like we didn't do anything.
No, it blends in pretty good. A lot of the boys are gonna not like me for doing this. Some of them like hatchback Timmy more because I'm hatchback Timmy again.
I like hatchback Timmy.
I think this is a more suiting car for me. It's loud. Well, the exhaust isn't loud, but it's loud. It looks loud. The color's loud. And I think that's definitely more my personality.
It's definitely obnoxious, and the Mustang is definitely obnoxious too, but it's obnoxious in a totally different way. And you guys know what we're talking about. And yeah, I got this thing to rip home. I'm gonna rip home behind Tim so I don't rock chip him on the way home. But yeah, we got an hour and a half way back to the house, and we'll update you, and I'll get a couple rollers with the whole front end taped up.
All right, so real quick before we take off, I told him, as I said before, I told him to leave all the plastic on, but this is a 21, so it's got the, shut up Carlos, it's got the suede, the steering wheel's all suede, it's still wrapped up, the seats still wrapped up, center console, number 46587. One of the reasons why I wanted this car too was it's usable. Look at this back seat, like that seat's way far back. I got so much room, so much headroom. Carlos is getting a thumbnail. Yeah, they didn't touch it, didn't wash it. It's gonna get ceramic coated and paint protection for the front. Obviously, that's why we've taped it all up. But this hatch is absolutely massive. It's got the nice carpets with the red around it. Toss those in. I believe this doesn't have a spare tire. Yeah, just to fix it flat. But the trunk is massive, especially with the seats down. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely a different thing than the Mustang. So, first driving home. Car has 19 miles on it, and yeah, I mean, I can't really rip it. I don't wanna be that guy on the brand new whip. Honda's braking period says 600 miles of no abrupt acceleration. So we're gonna stay pretty true to that, and I'm gonna get used to the car. Everything feels good so far. I taped up the whole thing, as you saw, and we got about 2 hours to get home. We're gonna have to deal with a little traffic, but that's not a big deal. We're driving through Boston right now, so I gotta be a little on edge. God, this thing feels ridiculous around corners already. And it's in comfort mode. Easy, buddy. God, people really, oh, it's a New York plate, that's why. Sorry, people from New York. But you guys, people from Boston can't drive, New York people can't drive, and that's a fact. Got Carlos ripping the Mustang. That's why he wanted to come. That's exactly why I wanted to come.
What up, guys? We just switched. I have the camera now. Tim's driving the Type R. I got the Mustang. I'm having a blast, to be honest, but here it is. I don't know if you guys saw it yet on the road. Probably not, but there it is. It's all taped up and it's flapping in the wind. It looks good, keeping the paint protected, obviously, because like we said, once we get back, it is gonna get fully paint protected. It's gonna have a nice clear film on top of it. Obviously, the car is brand new. She doesn't need to be buffed or anything like that, but it will have a protecting film on it, PPF, on the whole front end for any rock chips, anything like that, because Tim does want to protect the paint, because to be honest, it's in a nasty color. So yeah, we're driving back. We got about an hour. I'm happy for him. I'm happy that I get to drive this thing for an hour and a half, but yeah, I'm excited to see what's gonna come out of it, but she looks good. She definitely looks good, that's for sure. Got about 35 more minutes. We had to stop at our E85 pump that we always stop at. I got E for the Speed 3 while we were out here. A little update on the speed, I know you guys just saw it, but everything is good. We ended up actually opening it up, the front bumper again, and actually taking the crash bar completely out and pushing the intercooler way up so you can actually see it in the grill. We are going to be getting an aftermarket crash bar, but I just wanted to let you guys know and keep you guys in the loop. Got my co-pilot back here. It's Tim's dog, Remy. And yeah, we're ripping back. We got about 20 minutes. The Type R looks good. The Mustang looks good. I'm really liking the steering wheel, to be honest. If I was looking for a car right now, it would definitely have to be this one. I'm glad I'm not.
All right, guys, so we just got back to where we live. It's probably about 90 miles west of where we picked up the car. The tape's still on it. I don't think we got any rock chips. It looks good so far. Carlos stayed away from being in front of me, and the car is nuts, nice and smooth. I would say it's very refined too, but it's not muted, which is kind of difficult to do in a modern car, especially with a 4-cylinder. So my plan with this car is to do a full step-by-step build, kind of. I guess you call it a build on the channel. Let me know what you guys think about that. The Mustang, we kind of missed some of that because we started the YouTube channel a little late. But with the Civic, fresh, our channel's growing. So as we grow, hopefully you guys join us as we grow. But we are definitely growing. I'm happy to grow, me and Carlos both. And this is gonna help with the growth, hopefully. And
hell yeah, it is. Hell
oh,
yeah.
There's Kaylin with the Fiesta. She's coming to check out the whip. But hopefully this helps us grow, and hopefully you guys like the content. There's gonna be plenty of it. But first thing is exactly why we put this on before we left the dealer. We're gonna get a clear bra, and ceramic coated, so maybe I'll make a video on that. But that's pretty much it for the first video with a Civic Type R. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one. Make sure you let me know what you guys think.
Peace out.